Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got one from Germany. This is their chicken teriyaki cup noodle. Yeah, there's a Nissin Germany, and they make cup noodles over there. I think this is actually made in Hungary. So, there you go. If you're hungry, oh, oh, about there, right? Let's give it a little shove down into where it needs to go. Perfect. Yep, 3 minutes, standard cup noodle time to cook. There was a thing I read once about did I read it or did I watch it? Either way, it was about how the fact that it takes 3 minutes is the amount of time for your appetite to be completely booted up or something. There was just like this long dissertation on how a cup noodle has like all these certain attributes that are perfect for I don't know, it was strange. It's like, that seems rather interesting. I don't know, but yeah, it was an interesting thing. And yesterday I walked to Seattle and back into the store and carried home heavy things. That's one thing I do. I carry heavy things around. But yeah, so yesterday it got up to like 90. When I got back it was 93 degrees. I'm guessing that it was probably warmer during my stroll. Today I have a feeling it's going to get to like 95 or 96. You never know. Sometimes here it gets pretty hot, like right downtown in Kenmore. We've seen 100 degrees before. We had one year where it got up to 112, and I just brought an umbrella out with me. It's just like, what's the point? And yeah, that was fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go out again today. It's about 9:30 now. Hopefully I'll be able to do that sooner than later before it gets the full violent heat of the day. And yeah. And we only have 35 seconds to go. There's big news today, but I'll tell you about that next episode. Political news. So you can look forward. Oh, I hear you groaning, but I don't care. Yeah. That in Hawaii is still crazy. They like to have videos of people crying on the news. I don't know why they do that. I mean, it's a horrible thing. It's very tragic, but it's just like, let's find the person who's like the most in distress and feature them and let people know, look, these people are very unhappy. It's like, I would be unhappy if I was in their situation. It's a crummy deal. Maybe I'm like saying it wrong, but I don't know. They get, it's like the people were complaining they didn't do the alarms. Why didn't they do the alarms? It's like, well, they were worried that if they did the alarm, it'd be like a tsunami alarm. Actually, I think their stuff was screwed up. I think that was the deal, and they just couldn't do it. But if it were, and they thought it was a tsunami alarm, if there's a tsunami, you go inland. That's where the fire was at, and people would have just been like running at the blazing hell. So, anyways, cheers. I'm mainly just getting chicken here. I don't know about the teriyaki aspect. There's our broth. Yeah, just kind of a chicken noodle soup. I'm not gonna say, ooh, teriyaki. I'm not getting any sweetness. I'm not getting anything much of that, but it's not bad. It's a chicken noodle. This is the last of the Nissin Germany varieties that they sent. I want to thank the folks over there. Thank you, thank you. I know it's chicken. I don't have any cooked chicken. So why not use some pork? The other white meat, right? That's my justification. Sizzle, sizzle. I got eggs that gotta go, and those are made from chicken. You cook a chicken and an egg comes out. That's kind of the whole deal. Here is our beautiful beauty egg. Come on, beauty egg. Look at that. All right, beauty egg. While I'm at it, doing double duty here, folks. Getting the water ready to boil for the next one. Got some Naruto maki. Just doing it up kind of the standard dog and pony show style. Who doesn't love a good old dog and pony show? Have you ever watched a dog and pony show? I've never been to one. I've heard the term many times, but I've never actually seen a dog and pony show. Have you? Comment below. You really don't have to. I'm being facetious. I think. Can you spell facetious? Comment below. No, you really don't have to do that either. F-A-C-E-T-I-O-U-S. Facetious. Oh, shoot, you mean? Yeah, kind of comes across as just your basic standard chicken noodle. Not bad. So, yeah. Cheers. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? Wow. So the next one one is also going to be quick like that. And then we're going to get into the stuff that takes forever. Nah, probably not. Indomie. This is from Turkey. And this came by way of James from Lakeside, California. This is Indomie Tavuk Romali Hazir Noodle chicken flavor. So that's up for tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.